Here's how to turn your paper script into a sequence with Quickture. First, open the Multi-Edit tab. Then, select the sequences you want to include in your edit. Then, tell Quickture to edit based on the script. Next, copy and paste your entire script into the Edit Notes field. No need to reformat it or take out descriptive actions, just paste it all in. And then, let Quickture do the work.
There can be no doubt that Herr Hitler is using up his fighter force at a very great rate.
The film you just watched doesn't exist. Churchill's historic Blitz broadcast was never filmed. All we have is the transcript and some scratchy audio recording.
If there are multiple takes, you can tell Quickture which ones to prioritize. For example, if somebody said "good one" on set, or added a note to the script, or have it default to the second to last take. Now, in just seconds, you'll get a sequence that perfectly follows your paper script.